Mon.
Hey, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, rakeel.
Hey, good morning.
Hey Raja, how you doing?
Hey, good. How are you?
I'm doing all right. Just wanted to hop on and let you know GCAD's got that perfect setup right now. It's about to break the high for 1 hour.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I haven't looked at it yet.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Let's take a look. GP CAD is, yeah, and the 30-minute close with no wick at the top, so I'm gonna stay away from it. Wow, GJ. GJ looks like it's gonna continue down.
Yeah, I'm on sales right now.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Oh, there's a gap over here. Yeah, GJ's gonna fill this gap.
Yeah.
I mean, if it comes down to 139,400 on a Friday with the end of the week and end of the month push, oh man, that would be beautiful. So 139, 600 is right over here, and 139, 400 is right over here. Yeah, it's gonna keep dropping. What do you guys think about trading high volatility news? I don't know. I don't trade anymore. Like I'll use like pending orders for high volatility news, but other than that, nothing. Friday is a day when you should just relax and chill out and
Especially on month end.
hmm.
Hey, how are you? I was in sales on GCAD, but then took buys after that 15-minute fake out.
Oh, okay. Like this move down.
Yeah, like right after the break of the high. Like once I got stopped out,
Hmm.
I was looking for buys initially. Once I got stopped out, I got into buys because that's what I wanted.
Yeah, I think better buys would be above this high because the only thing concerns me is that this candle closed with a small wick and the previous candle rejected the same price area. The one before that also rejected that. So if I want to look for buys in GP CAD, I'd probably want to look for buys above, like this high over here. Oh, we got CAD GDP, and that's about it. Caught gold at 1624. Oh, nice. But I didn't TP. Mad upset. Yep, that's good. If you don't take profit and you're mad upset, well then save yourself. To be honest, just by looking at gold on the 4 hour, it does look like it's bearish. It's kind of like ranging currently right now. Gold is in a range. You got so basically what's going on is you have these candles here. They're rejecting, 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 rejecting. So if this candle closes bearish over here, then you have a continued move down. So now when you break it down into the 30 minute and translate that in there, let's go to 30 minutes. See, now 30 minute you have a hard support. So now you're like, okay, gold is just ranging for now. Let's look at the 15 minute, yeah. How much time do you give yourself to prepare for a trade or an idea? It's not about the time. It's about if it's going to happen, right? So, for example, if you look at GJ, right? If I'm looking at sells on GJ, I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame, and I'm looking at what this candle is doing currently, right? So currently this candle, it's kind of like at like 139, let's say 930, right? So that's okay, awesome. So if I look at the previous one closed over here. The one before that was bearish and closed over here. So when you have a bullish candle closing after a bearish candle, that's kind of like a support form, right? And when you look left, you're like, okay, well, it makes sense because the candles came here down before and they rejected this area, so this might be some sort of a support. So I'm like, okay, if I'm looking for sells, I need this current candle to close below this area, which is going to be close below the candles to the left. If I can get a close below candles to the left, then I can say, okay, perfect. Now I can expect the next candle to continue moving bearish, and then I start looking for a sell. Because now my stop is going to be up over here, and I'm going to start to look for sells and have a good time going down to 139,600. But if that doesn't happen, then I'm not entering a trade. So you see now what the candle's doing, it's kind of like closing above that area. So now this support is establishing. Now it's establishing support, right? And then you start to look at, okay, if this support starts getting established, then maybe we could end up here at like 140,300, and this range is like 30 pips. So that's how you start to look at. That's how I start to look at charts. Same thing here with gold. Like if this 1 hour closes below all these here to the left, then there's a high chance gold is going to continue moving down. And if you measure this range, oh wow, this is a 50 pip range over here. This looks like nothing, but it's a 50 pip range. God damn. Draw a small zone over here. What time is the Corona news? It's Corona time! You think they're gonna announce it? It's Corona time.
You're a fool.
Oh, someone's in GP Cat buys over here. Yeah,
I had my night.
Yeah, I'd be cautious about those buys. See now the 15-minute close bearish. The number one thing why I don't like these buys is because the 30-minute close with no wick. The previous one, it rejected that same area. I mean, I feel like I'm just repeating myself. So now the 15-minute also closed bearish. So better buy would be once this candle breaks I have the 15-minute, and you can bring us you can take a buy over here, bring a stop down over here, and have a good time riding it up over here. CNBC said 4,800 people observation in California. Makes me wonder. Yeah, I don't know, man. Just stop watching news. I don't watch news at all. At all. Like last night I was watching Okay, what's this? Someone sent a chart. Oh, nice. Someone's in USD CHF buys. Perfect. Target is all the way up. Very nice.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
It's Corona time.
Hey,
Hey, it's Modelo time.
it's Corona time.
Morning. It's Corona time.
Man, you're playing the YouTube at the same time?
Yeah, whoops.
Oh, you got some nice internet over there.
You got some nice. No, yours. Yours is like 400, isn't it?
Mine is
500.
yeah, let's take a look over here.
Yeah, I'm like 50.
Oh,
Yeah, nothing, man. Oh.
Oh wow, they're robbing you. It was 500.
That looks like your profit in GJ. How that just and that's EJ.
yeah, that's EJ. Yeah, it's pretty good. I got like
Yeah, that's awesome.
like the best internet you can get is 1 gig. I got the second best one.
Mm. Yeah, it's not worth having.
Oh shit.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's 550, 560.
See, why is that so different to the Google one?
That one is pinging directly from Toronto.
Yeah, this one pings from the nearest like main tower. The Google one is it's retarded.
Mm.
Are you paying for the gigabyte speed, Raja?
No. Don't
No?
start this, Kervin.
No, because I paid for the gigabyte speed because of security alarm in my house.
Oh no, I pay for the 500.
Oh, nice. You're getting more than that.
Kervin,
Hey, what's up, Baravaka?
how you doing, man?
Good, man. You? How's the family?
Fine, man.
How's the coronavirus over there?
Good, man. Every day getting stronger.
Oh,
More people
nice.
dying. Stocks are
Put on the
tanking.
switch.
Everything good.
That's it. Keep buying.
Ooh, GJ is rejecting that support. I know someone out there. They took cells down here. I know you're out there somewhere.
That's Mac.
What do you think of this, Raja? I took a sell on this candle, right? It was like it was up here, and I was targeting obviously 10 pips, but then I was just targeting so we'd retest this low.
Yeah.
Do you reckon that was a bit risky?
Yeah, I mean, it should have gone down. Theoretically, it should have gone down. So when you look, this kind of started at 630. And then, yeah, I mean.
Yeah, like it closed below support, that 30-minute.
Yeah.
And that was the first 30-minute of the hour.
Yeah.
And then the next 30-minute is bound to push. It did, but not enough. It was 10 pips. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's fine. Like it came up and then you got out of the position. So
Yeah.
and also it's a Friday, so on Friday price doesn't necessarily behave like you'd expect it to behave.
Mm.
Yeah. Rakeel, can you put GCAT on your chart?
Yep.
30 minute?
Bro, I see the same thing you see on your chart.
Yeah. I took an entry around here.
Oh, for a buy?
Yeah, for a buy. 4 hour up, 30 minute. The thing is that this will be a bad close, right?
Yeah, like I explained it 4 times here in the stream. Why?
Ah,
this-
sorry, I just came. Sorry,
Oh,
sorry.
okay.
Sorry, my bad.
Yeah, because like like the 30-minute close with no wick at the top. The previous one came up to the same price, it rejected it. The one before that came to the same price, it rejected it. So I mean, like my buying idea was that if now on the 15-minute, this 15-minute broke the high, then you could take a buy because
Okay, I get
this is a resistance here.
Rakeel, look at gold.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's gonna continue down, man. Gold's coming down 20 more pips. 30 more pips actually.
It should close at 1622. Then we can call it safe.
Going downtown Ninad.
It's gone
Going in at
Going downtown.
to the gutter.
Okay. Now I cannot
Right.
swear on live streams.
Yeah, live
Why,
streams.
man?
Yeah. No, but you can
No,
make.
no.
I think 15-minute gold buy. Oh, someone's looking to buy gold. Perfect.
Raja, look out for the Indians. How many Indians are watching you?
Yeah. They're all over here. I can smell the samosas and the curry and everything.
Oh
Sound
man,
like coming from your house,
samosas are
though.
really good.
This chutney.
Plain samosas.
Kedamari.
The masala sauce.
Oh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, David.
David.
Hey, good morning,
David,
David.
good morning, David.
Good morning.
Hello.
David, do you think today is going to be the day that the S&P is going to bounce?
I don't know, man. This has been a really crazy day yesterday.
Yeah.
They've been talking about a bounce here, and this is a huge support level.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking.
So
when they bounce, they normally gap down, go down, and then bounce.
So what I've been hearing and what I've been reading is they're saying that this is an overreaction to the markets. So it should be a pretty big bounce back. How big? We have to see, but it has bounced already, so it is on its way back up.
Gold?
It's no, the S&P, the indices.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, needs a correction.
Yeah. This correction was needed.
Yeah, I had a friend who made $100 million. He said that he once told me, market no move in one direction.
Oh,
It doesn't move in
yeah,
one direction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, it moves up and
He's
down.
a billionaire right now.
Yeah.
Gold chains and all that.
Yeah, I think he died or something.
No,
What
he's
about the
still
oil?
alive.
What about the oil? Oil is just extending slide.
So crude oil, we've gotten to lows that we haven't seen in like 3.5 years. It's been that crazy in crude oil. It looks like we just found a bottom, and it bounced back. So it's probably going to trade now between 50 and 47 in that area, which is low. But that's where the trading is going to happen here probably the next week.
Yeah, I think you would want to see a support formed on the daily for buying opportunities.
Yeah. Like I said, it hasn't been this low like 3 years. So there's an emergency OPEC meeting and they're going to discuss about inventories, and they're going to discuss about stopping production for a while.
Yeah, reduce supply and that's it, man.
Yeah,
They can control it.
yeah. It's yeah, I mean, yesterday was a complete another crazy day.
Yeah, I want to buy some S&P 500, like in a long-term investment.
Long term,
Yeah,
it's probably not a bad idea to do a buy if it's long term.
yeah.
But you know, we'll see. This coronavirus is really affecting everything, and I think that people are just overreacting on it. But we'll see.
But it hasn't reached India, right? Yeah,
I don't know.
because
What do you mean?
now come on,
Hey,
India
what's
is a
India-
great population. So if
Oh.
it
What has India do about
goes
this
into India,
coronavirus?
it's gonna.
Oh yeah, they're fucked.
Yeah, that's why. Man.
I mean, give it time.
Nah,
Every
nah.
country is
I will take
reporting
care of
new
it.
cases
You don't
every
worry
day.
about India. Okay.
Okay,
Don't worry
okay, not. You take care of it, better.
Yeah, and you stop saying about in an Indian accent, okay?
I
I
think
mean-
it's Calcutta.
You guys are funny.
For the one who said to buy the S&P, I wouldn't try and catch a falling knife, if you know the
Yeah.
saying. I would just wait for it to form a support, because at the moment it could drop like
That could drop some more.
And-
Absolutely
10%, 20% more. Yeah, easy.
easy. It could go down to about 26. You possibly
Yeah.
even 25. So, and that's why, if you want to do long term and not put a lot of money in it, you may catch something, but it is a risky trade.
Thanks.
Oh wow! Look at that gold drop.
Gold.
Damn.
I don't get it, man.
Oh shit!
Oh, Jesus.
Let's go, motherfucker.
Oh wow! It's like 50 pip drop in a minute. Oh, 60.
No, it's 53 from.
Shit. Man, that is crazy. I just witnessed this whole drop.
That's insane.
Man, on the 1 hour. That's been a good trade.
If people are taking their money out of gold, it's going back into the indices. They're going to be reinvesting.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what I'm
yeah.
thinking.
That's spot on,
Makes
David.
sense.
Perfect. Yeah.
Man, that is some crazy move. Look at that
So
fight.
two things you look at when gold goes down like that, and crude oil goes up. We're going to be not going into recession. If gold goes up and crude keeps going down to like new lows never seen in like years, possible recession could be coming. So I think today all these emergency meetings are happening, and that's why you're seeing what you're seeing. Because crude is on its way back up, gold is down, S&P is kind of coming up.
So more than likely we'll be bouncing. The S&P will bounce up.
Yeah, but it could be a fake bounce. You need to be careful with that.
Yeah. Oh, look, people have been calling this for 10 years. Finally.
You can say it's going to rain in 10 years. One of those days is going to rain.
Exactly.
I might be looking at GP CAD buys once it breaks above, 1.73350.
Yeah, it's going to do it.
But buy limit, buy stops.
Man, it's like the market's listening to you, Raja.
Oh,
There it goes.
there it goes.
Yeah, I mean they should, because I show up here every day for them.
It's the minimum they can do, man.
Yeah, so it's the least what they can do.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Come on, GBCAD.
Yeah.
You're in. I'm in.
Oh yeah, I entered at 73357.
73357.
But yeah, as it was breaking the high, I entered.
Yeah. I got 37.
Oh,
370.
nice.
You're welcome, Beta.
Where was your stop, Raja? There?
Below the 30-minute candle, yep.
Yep. Nice.
Come on, push a little more.
Below the bearish 30-minute or the current 30-minute?
The current 30-minute.
The current.
Yeah, I didn't put this one on the screen because it was risky and I don't want people to be dumb on Friday and risk a lot, you know, because you know what happens, like some people, you know, they take losses during the week and then what happens is that they try to, like, you know, make those losses back on Friday and it doesn't necessarily work. It's kind of like this, what I have. Yeah, kind of like that. So I have like a 2 lot running. Normally I would have like bigger lots. So I have like a 2 lot running. So I've cut down my risk on a Friday.
On the 1 hour, that looks perfect. GCAD.
Yep.
I agree. I
Yeah.
agree.
Look at
That's why,
that. Like, that is solid.
Yeah, and on the 4 hour too.
Man.
that's why I took the trade.
Yeah, good. Very good. Where'd you get in at?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine was a bit aggressive because I took sells on GCAD. If you look on the 15-minute, I was taking sells when it was kind of like a 1 hour fake out, but then when the 15-minute looked like it was a fake out and broke a bearish high, that's when I got in. So I got in at before 6:45 Eastern.
Okay, very nice.
Ooh, 590 bandwidth.
That's insane.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Like my download speed, I get like around 52 megabits per second. Megabytes.
But what you have? 600?
No, because this is 590 megabits per second.
Yeah.
Download speed is measured in megabytes per second, so bits is smaller than bytes.
Oh,
Yeah.
hold on. So
I'm gonna try mine.
mine's what's megabits? Is that the smaller one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm actually 36 at the moment. So how lucky are you?
You're at 36 megabits?
Yep.
Okay.
Ridiculous. That's Australia for you.
Oh yeah, this looks good. GP NZD. So once this 30-minute breaks the high of the previous one, it's kind of like what's happening here in GP CAD.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Rakeel, I've got 96 and you've got 590.
Yeah. That's why the pips come quick over here. Wow, look at this gold retracement. 40 pip retracement. Damn. I was about to take a buy on gold, but then I was like, no, Raja.
No, don't do that.
Yeah, no.
Do that to yourself, Legend.
Yeah.
Yesterday, Raj, I was going to call you out on the GJ sale. I reckon that was a bit of FOMO.
Yeah, call me out on stuff when you feel like it.
I wasn't on the stream, but I was watching quickly on YouTube and I saw that you were in the sale. But look, if you held the sale, mate.
Yeah, I know.
You'd be laughing.
It was somewhere way up over here. Oh, actually before that either, like somewhere over here. Right here.
Was that like 141, 500, no?
Yeah, somewhere over here in this consolidation. Can you help me understand GDP is expected to be the same as last month? The overall sentiment is the CAD is bearish. Yesterday's report comes better, seem to go bullish. Yeah, let's take a look here. So what they're expecting is expecting it to be the same. Yeah, expecting it to be the same. I mean, if it's the same, if the news comes out as expected, then that's good for the CAD. You know, so I think CAD should go up.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What is this, Paul?
Yo.
Paul,
What's
great
up?
stream, man. This week you have been killing it.
Thanks, man. We had a good week.
Yeah, man. I was in yesterday, and you killed it.
Yesterday was nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
You broke the curse.
Yeah, fine. It took 2 weeks, I think.
Yeah.
We finally broke it. It had me nervous for a minute, but it worked out.
Yeah, and your discipline, man. It's amazing. Great work.
Thank you.
Okay, so uh, 357. Yeah, like CAD, GP CAD pips are worth less than GP JPY.
And the spread's higher too, yeah?
Yeah.
What is it? I got 1 pip spread
Oh,
for GCAD. What have you got?
I have 1.3.
Okay.
1.3, 1.4.
Yeah, a bit expensive, but oh well.
Ooh, see, GJ is just ranging over here now. $15-minute candle's about to close over here. 15-minute candle closing bullish. It's closing above all these candles here to the left. So it just makes sense for the next one to continue moving bullish since there's a clean move here. Daily overall is bullish. Daily has broken above the highs over here, just like on GJ. You know, like you guys remember when GJ weekly broke above over here, and oh man, we expected it to continue going bullish.
Wow.
But this just crashed.
Could you say that's a fake out?
I don't know. We'll see how it closes.
No, I think we're going to continue down. Like all the way back. Longer term, obviously. But yeah, like look at these 2 bearish monthly candles.
Yeah, also this consolidation here to the left hand side too.
Yeah, it's going to be annoying.
Should come down to 139,400 at least.
Looks like the monthly made a low. We might be retesting 128.8.
120. Yeah, that's it.
I'm
That's
kidding.
what I reckon.
I'm kidding when I say that because it's so far. But if it was on a smaller time frame, I'd like it.
No, exactly. That's what I think so too.
Was GJ probably going down because of JPY or the coronavirus? Because it seems that all the other pound pairs are kind of going up, except GJ. It's not really doing anything.
So I'm closing
Okay.
half of my position over here since it's coming back in a drawdown and it's a Friday and I don't want to close in a drawdown. You know, so it's just better to do that.
So Paul, did you say EJ and like AJ all going up?
I haven't looked at any of those pairs, just the pound pairs.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, so just like GJ, GA, like GA seems to be going up. GCAD seemed to be going up, and GJ looks more bearish to me.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a bit interesting. I don't know.
Yeah, it looks too bearish, and you have to scroll too far to find a target, so I don't really like it.
And I got out of GPCAD at -7 pips total.
Yeah, me too.
So why do you think that happened, Raja? Everything was looking good.
Yeah, it's just what the market does. You know, we just have to react to it.
And accept it.
Yeah. Sometimes there's no rhyme and reason. You're just like, oh, okay. It's like, oh, okay, no problem. Plus, like, it's a Friday too, right? So you really have to conserve your capital.
Yeah.
Maybe now it's really reacting to this resistance we were talking about earlier. Like it came up and now the 15-minute rejected it and coming back down and closing below it. Yeah, it means there's a big issue over here. So now, if this was me 2 years ago, I would say, if I would be still in the buys, I would say, no, it's still going to go up, still going to go up, still going to go up. That would me then being hoping. Then that would me being like, trading what I think, not what I see. What I see is it's being rejected, and what I see is this is not a buy, unless the candle closes above this resistance.
I mean, that wick was still 10 pips, right? Like, I feel like you usually secure.
Yeah, like it was moving fast, so I didn't really react to it. But I was also thinking if it starts to come down, I knew where I'm going to exit. So.
Do you think maybe because the news coming up in 45 minutes would have something to do with that too?
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, I was hoping it would continue up before the news, go up, and then, somewhere 1.73650. And then the news is supposed to be, the same. And if the numbers do come out the same, which they have been almost like 0.1. So if they do come out the same, that would be good for the CAD. Then that would probably drop GP CAD. So I was hoping that we would get that push up as like a liquidity grab just before the news and then push down later on. But it didn't happen.
So when results are the same or better than expected, is that when that currency pair strengthens, you find?
Yeah, if the results are better than expected, then it goes up.
Yeah, but also when it's the same?
Yes, because the market is going to look at what the news came out. So if it came out as expected is good. It's always good. Okay. Like whenever the US cut rates, you see that the dollar spikes up and gold goes down for a little bit because even if the rate cut is bad fundamentally, but in the moment, the rates came out as expected. So market reacts to that news which was expected, and then later on it prices in the fact that, oh, okay, cutting rates are not good, so then it starts moving where it has to go.
Gotcha. Makes sense.
Yeah. You know, till I'm here on the stream, I'm gonna be on the stream till like, 9:30. And I really want to see GJ break the support and continue moving down.
Yeah.
That would be something I'm going to be executing on wholeheartedly.
Are those your
Yeah.
targets down there? Those yellow lines?
Yeah, that's just the resistance from that's the gap. 139, 400.
Okay,
Yeah,
I
we
saw
got a
that.
gap to fill.
There are 9 easy pips on EJ that you can grab. Oh, actually, there's only 3 up now. 5. No, I was looking at EJ and the setup I'm looking is nice. And I just entered it. Because today is Friday, so anything adds up to the back. Yeah, I really like EJ.
Rakeel, when you gotta go that far back to find like a target, do you like go up in the time frame, or do you just keep zooming and looking left till you find something?
No, not really. So I'm going to go to the 4 hour and then I'm going to look left. And when I look left, I see this area here, right? So
Yeah.
we're kind of like breaking below here. So now what I've seen is, this is from what I've just observed, What I've observed is that when price is moving in the direction where there's a gap, there's a probability, there's a high probability that it's going to fill this gap. So right now, price is creating support at 140, which is it currently. And now when we're looking left, we see that this was also support on the 4 hour, right? So this support makes sense. So now once the support breaks, there's a clean move down towards, 139, 600 and then 139, 500. So that break of support, I think if it does happen on a Friday, which you can then classify as like a weekly push and a month and the end of the month push.
Okay, so it doesn't like bother you having to look so far back?
I don't know, what do you mean it doesn't value looking far back? I mean, it does. I just
Like the zones, like the target you have to find is so old. It's not like fresh like you used to, like you like to kind of pick targets.
No, I mean that's the only price that's available if I look left.
Okay.
So I don't know what you're saying. Like that's not important.
No, I just wanted to know what you thought of it. Whenever I have to scroll so far back to find a target, I don't really like it, I guess.
Oh, okay. Yeah, with time you'll start to like it. Once you see it happen over, you're like, oh yeah, it makes sense.
Would you say it's just as reliable as like the fresher targets?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kerwin, the EJ, you took it on the 15, right?
Yes.
Okay. I think we're gonna have a break on GJ.
Yeah, I think so. EJ should dip down. I mean, for EJ, I'm expecting this previous small support 119.41 somewhere there to be broken and at least catch 25 pips on this move towards 119 250.
Should I hold my GJ sell till it breaks? Depends on where your entry is. Would you enter if we close below support on the 15-minute time frame? Yeah, I mean, I really want. Like my bias is really bearish on GJ. Really bearish. Because like if you look at how GJ behaved from London session, it just ranged. You know what I mean? Of course, this is a 50 pip range, like 40 pip range, but it's still just ranged. You know, so I would say if it does break, man, it's coming down to 139, 500, or even 600 at least. But the thing is that if this 15-minute breaks, the stop is going to be too big, right? Because I mean, if I enter right here, stop is going to be like 25 pips. And I would want this same candle to print down over here. Like I'd want something to print something like, you know, like something like this. So then I can say, okay, perfect. I'll take a sell even over here, put my stop up over here, and then we can continue moving down. So for selling moves, the only thing that's running through my mind is, okay, where's going to be my stop? Where's going to be my stop? Now, so right now, currently for sell, my stop is going to be right over here, around at like 140.080. But I'm not in a sell. You know, someone might ask, oh, are you in a sell?
BPK, if you took the EJ trade, break even, please.
No, I didn't check it. I was just trying to find how did you check it.
Okay.
Trying to learn from your knowledge.
All right. Thank you.
Kervin is very wise.
Yeah, man.
Wow, EJ is really bearish here.
Yeah. With each
new low on EJ.
Once we start breaking, having this small support, we always see this support to be broken, though. So that's why I was taking this set. It wasn't that much because it's Friday, like I said. I'm not risking a lot.
Yeah, the only thing that made me doubt was the 15 had no lower wick.
Yeah. Now you see how it's penetrating this 119.40s, 400s.
You love that word, eh?
So yeah.
Yeah, you have a support. You see the wick on the 4 hour.
Yeah, actually it's not a support right now. It's a 119 400s. So if you look left based on the there you have
wick
spin, that pin bar. So we have a previous reaction on that price, but I'm expecting since it's Friday just to continue going down because more than likely people are gonna
25, 24,
and then they're gonna be big drawdown. Because so far,
but are you looking to price to go around 25, or as we have?
Next quarter point. Since we broke 190, the 500 area, I'm expecting this price to continue going to the next quarter point, which is the 250.
Yeah, thanks, Kevin.
I mean, I can close right now. I'm almost 20 pips in profit, but
nice, man.
Yeah, it was an easy trade. Though. We have seen this move almost every 2 or 3 days a week.
Hey, y'all, good morning.
Hey, good morning, you.
What's up? Yo, Roger.
Hey.
That GJ move. Dang.
I'm going to secure my position at EJ. We are like 5 minutes before the next hour opening. So I'm expecting a pullback and then continue dropping with the next hour. I'm gonna close right now and I'm gonna wait for a pullback to enter them if I have another confirmation to sell. GE should break that support with the next hour.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah, hopefully we're gonna have retracement like this and something like this. And continue dropping. Why not a candle like this? Something like that. Because before the next reversal on GJ, I'm expecting to have like 315 or candles, big candles like this, towards the 139,500, and waiting for a reaction over there.
Hey, Kerwin.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, do you see the gap on a GJ?
Gap on GJ.
139 for 60 or 70.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's
We hope we can fill it today.
Yep, looks like it. Broke the daily, broke the 4 hour. Damn.
What broker do you have?
Hmm?
What broker do you have?
Oh, TD.
Oh, because I don't see any gap on mine.
You got it on TradingView too.
Say it again?
You got that gap on TradingView too.
Oh, really?
So where is the gap? Oh, I see. Yeah, it's
Go to the daily. You can see it better.
Oh, really? Okay.
139, 33, 35.
Do you use Onda or?
No, I use FXTM.
Ah, yeah, that's probably why. Onda don't show the gap.
That's your Raja or who's that? The owner of that beautiful candle?
Huh?
Oh, it's someone else.
Oh,
Yes.
that would be a blast.
Yeah, that's right.
I have the gap too on IC markets.
Oh, IC market too? Oh, yeah. Then definitely it's going to fill up since the coronavirus is affecting the economy.
Yeah, the problem with GJ is that we have a heavy consolidation box based on the daily to the left hand side. It's back in that area. It's gonna be a little
Lowest I'm targeting 139.38.
Yeah, we can get 139,500 to be honest.
But first is 139.48.
139.
139.
Let's get ready.
139.448.
448.
I'll be right back.
Ooh, we got CAD GDP in like 30 minutes here.
Mm-hmm.
I want to be dumb and take this sell so bad. Yep. I know the feeling. I think one thing you can do is probably have a sell stop. Or you can wait for the candle to
ask you,
break
I
below,
would
yeah.
like to ask you about the sell stop on GJ.
Yeah.
Do you think will work? 139,850.
It would come right back up. Careful with that.
Yeah. Do you think a sell stop around this area should work, Raja?
Yes.
I would say around 10:30 or 11ish, it will drop. Right now it's gonna range, most likely. For GG, I'm talking about. Or if it closed below 139.83 with the candles closed, then you can see possible. So 139.5.
End of day, end of week of the lows, I will stand aside. Yeah, perfect. If you're taking this Friday as like, you're just gonna sit aside and just watch, then that's awesome. That's the best way to do it, because Friday should be a day where you should just like look back at the charts, look back at your trades and see how you performed, and kind of like take into account that, okay, if you took some losses, how could you have avoided those losses? If you took wins, how you could have made those wins better, made entries better. Because if you're trying to make back the losses from this week, it's not going to happen on Friday. Trust me on that. If you're hungry for money, you should go get a job.
Or sell lemonades.
Yeah. Oh, someone's in a sell on GJ, expecting the support to be broken. Does core PCE price index and personal spending affect gold much? I don't know much about that, so I can't say anything.
Raja,
Hey,
take a look at this. Somebody's drawing on this thing.
oh, IML. Yeah, it's some friend of mine.
Oh,
So
okay.
let's do this. You know, it shows your name if you're drawing over here. It shows your name. So next time I can just kick you every time you come on here. And then, because once you're kicked from Zoom, you can't join back.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. No respect.
Up. 15 minute about to close. It's closing bearish.
Yeah.
You got a nasty drop here. If it drops, once the support goes, oh man. $15 also close and probably gonna have a stop at like 139.950.
Yeah.
And then continue moving bearish.
Hopefully that's gonna be our candle to break that support. Okay. It's going. It's going.
I hope it makes a wick, man.
Very good. ¿Y ahora? ¿Qué hacemos?
Who is it, man? Mute him.
It's coming. It's coming.
Okay, we have a gold analysis over here. Let's take a look here. Support broken on 1 hour 30 minute and created a lower low, going to sell once a nice bearish candle forms. Perfect. So the 15-minute candle closed on GJ. It closed above support. No sells.
No.
Someone said 2-year-olds are hosting the stream now.
That's my nephew.
Young guys learning.
Yeah.
Come on, GJ.
GJ, I want to see just die.
Yeah.
Just death on GJ. Should I take a trade? Should I?
It's a lot of risk on this trade unless we break this support.
See, oh.
Any other day, I will take it.
The thing is, I'm up 293 for Friday, so probably could risk half.
Let's risk 93 to get 200.
Yeah, just waiting in. Because if my stop is going to be 950 right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I'll risk it for the biscuit.
Pips where the price is for now.
Let's check the Chinese indicator over here. It looks so good.
The good thing is EJ still lying, so GH will continue.
Oh wow, gold is just fucking people up. 40 pip move, man.
God damn.
5-minute candle, 40 pips. All right, I entered a sell on GJ.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the last trade for the week here. Damn, I did pretty good this week. Shit. I've normally stopped looking at what my profit and loss is until the Thursday or Friday, and it's like when you play Call of Duty and you don't look at the score, and by the end of the match you look at the score, you're like, oh wow, I did pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just
basically the same.
Honestly, it's exactly the same. It's like when you go to the bar and you have a good time, and when you look at your bill, you're like, oh, it's not too bad. Like, I was expecting more, or something like that.
So playing Call of Duty makes you a better trader.
Yeah, not looking at profit and loss.
Conclusion.
You could probably market that, rakeel, and turn that into like a $5,000 course. Playing Call of Duty increases your trading by 10%.
Yes.
Playing Call of Duty is basically the same as trading them. You will die many times and there's nothing gonna happen. It's not gonna happen to you, and it's crazy. You can blow 10, 20 accounts and nothing happens.
Man, they are like these online Call of Duty coaches. Seriously.
And to be honest, gamers, they make a lot of money, man.
Yeah. They're coaches too. Like, they will go in a map with you, and then they will tell you tricks about the map. And they will try to coach you.
Okay, GG, I'm bored. Just die, please.
If you think GPCAD is going to go down with the news, wouldn't GJ go up to offset that, or is that not a thing? No, that's not a thing, because GPCAD, like, I don't even know. I think that question came from not being educated enough. GPCAD is going to move based on CAD, because there's going to be a lot of volume coming in CAD. GJ is going to move based on the pound, because the yen is closed. Hope that makes sense.
Come on, GJ. Come on. Ah, man. Gold is finessing. Okay.
Gold is, oh wow, yeah, gold is finessing. Man, gold is wild. I'm gonna go get some coffee.
Oh, okay.
See also if this 30-minute candle closes just the way it is, this is perfect for the next one to continue bearish. But if it closes above, like let's say, or near 139,900, then I'm going to close my positions while I make coffee. You know? Hello. Oh. CAD News did nothing.
Mm-hmm.
What's this chart? GPAUD waiting for a bullish candle form above resistance. Yep, this makes sense. Oh, you meant above support. How would you trade this short if you wanted to do it as a stop limit? I wouldn't, because it's not a stop limit. I have a market order. When your order hits stop loss, it'll close your trade. Yes. What do I think about gold? Man, gold is untouchable. That's what I think about gold. Because, like, how do you trade this wick over here? 40 pip wick, 24 pip wick. I mean, it gets really hard. Man, I've been making appointments with my dentist like for the past 2 months, and I've been bailing on them every time.
You still working on the root canal?
Yeah, so this has turned out to be a tooth extraction now. So I'm gonna get dentures.
Okay.
Yeah, so my dentist called 2 days ago. He was like, "Hey, Mr. Raja, like you have to come in, man. You have to get this done. I mean, I know you don't want to, but this is important." I'm like, okay, I'll come today. Yeah, I'll message him right now that if my GJ cell goes in profits, I'll come in.
That's great.
But if it doesn't go down, then we'll have to reschedule.
Okay, then I'm gonna make GJ drop so you can go to the dentist. Because you gotta be ready for Miami, man. Trust.
Oh yeah.
Okay, GJ, come on.
Come on.
Let's try to go to the dentist.
Come on, man.
Come on. Let's go.
Oh, someone sent a chart about GJ shorts. Let's take a look here.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, looks good.
Yeah, the target is nice.
Mm-hmm.
CAD News was like a fart in the water. Nothing.
Yeah, nothing. Oh, it was really good.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Maybe it's going to move later on in the session, but it's at a strong support here. GP CAD. Hey, Kerwin, if you're near an Indian store, I would encourage you to get a aloo ka paratha, you know?
Aloo ka paratha?
Yeah. Aloo ka
What
paratha.
is it?
It's aloo ka paratha, yeah. This is right here.
It's like potato.
Oh,
filled.
wow, man.
Yeah.
That's good.
But it has potatoes in it.
Oh, potatoes.
Potatoes in it, yeah.
It's nice, man.
And any protein, like any meat in it?
No, meat.
Yeah, you can get
No?
a meat one as well if you want.
Yeah, you can.
Mm-hmm.
Let me take a picture of that. Okay. All right. Thanks, man. I'm gonna try. Because samosas are really good, though.
Yeah, samosas are really good.
Yeah.
Are you moving your stops to break even? No. Why would I move my stops to break even? Why? Because this candle's still open. If I move them to break even, the candle retracement can stop me out.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm willing to take on the risk.
Yeah, man.
Because if it hits my stop loss, I know exactly how much I'm losing and I'm totally fine with it. But if it hits my take profit, I know exactly what I'm winning and I'm totally fine with it. Weren't you targeting the gap fill? No. Well, yeah, that was the idea. But I'm going to secure it like 10 pips and then I'm going to let the one run.
I need to break this 80 mark.
Mm-hmm.
The thing with JJ is these moves, well, when they start happening, more than likely you're gonna get easily 25 pips on those kind of moves.
Mm-hmm.
Because JJ moves really good.
Yep. That's what happens.
So this 30-minute candle, if this 30-minute candle doesn't come back and close back in range, we're good. We're heading downtown towards 139 500s.
Oh wow, Paul Ryan sent me €5. Perfect.
Wow.
Now I can buy more samosas.
You can take an Uber. You can take an Uber to the dentist.
Yeah, I can take another entry.
Now you can go to a dentist, Rakeel.
Yeah, man. Where is Gartek, Raja?
Gartik is, I think he's working, like he's driving
Here in the
around.
States or he's in Canada?
I think.
He's in
I
Canada.
don't know.
Huh?
Gartik is a mystery these days.
Yeah, man. It's been a long time I haven't heard anything from Gartek. That's a tough job, man.
Yeah.
Driving is a tough job.
Right? You need to love to drive.
Yeah.
To be able to do it.
Yeah. I agree.
I'm gonna head off, guys. There's not really anything happening.
Okay, Paul. Take care, man.
See you guys next week.
See you. Enjoy the weekend.
Have a great weekend, Paul.
Thank you, you too.
Ooh, Tim just closed 10 pips on GJ. Very nice. Yeah, you know what I'm going to do? Once this 15 minutes candle starts to close, I'm going to bring my stop down to the high of the 30-minute candle.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same.
You know what's scary? People try to copy every little thing I do without learning. Or I say, you know? Or like sometimes Kervin's saying something and they're like, oh, okay. EJ, okay, let's look at EJ.
Yeah, but I think those calls are great to learn.
Yeah.
You just look what he saw.
But if if guys don't learn, then like it gets really hard. It's like copying signals without understanding why the signal is given.
Yeah, exactly. Signals are great, but only if you learn from them. Don't trade them, just learn from them.
Yeah. What's your problem? Ricks don't lie. Oh, I got a lot of problems. Number one problem is filing HST right now. Taxes. Oh, there we go. Got 10 pips in the bag over here, securing some
Yep.
positions. Oh, it's moving more. Oh, shit.
Yeah,
Come
I'm
on,
gonna
did
take,
it.
Let's
yeah,
go,
10
motherfuckers.
pips. 10 pips. I'm
Securing.
gonna buy a fucking Lambo.
Yep, putting stops at break even, letting it run.
Yeah, man.
Awesome. Beautiful trade. Thank you, Raja Banks.
Great
for...
call. Yeah,
Oh,
great call.
shit.
Raja. Great call, Raja.
Thank you.
Let's go.
So
Let's get 10 people more.
Yeah, man. This is awesome.
Yeah.
So
you
people
waited.
Yeah.
And you killed. Go ahead. Some people what?
Yeah. So people on YouTube, if you caught this trade, just give a like on the stream, please. That's all I wanted to say.
Subscribe, like.
And hold your seats because
Yeah.
we're heading to the 500 areas.
What a trade, man. Wow.
Well played.
I had on this one a little bit more risk than the normal trades.
Yeah.
So,
I added some more risk too.
yeah.
Yeah, I have one position running at break even now. This was easy. So easy. So, every day it's the same thing, we come here, we wait, and then we execute. And then we win, and then we post it on Instagram, and everyone's like, oh, wow, man.
Okay.
This was
about 75%, Roger.
Nice. So you are 3 pips up for the day. That will translate to thousands of dollars in your intra post. No, Prindrelas. I think when you were born, the doctors forgot to give you eyes and ears. That's what happened. Plus, also, I think they removed half of your brain too. Because if you look, this is 13 pips. This guy is a hater, man. This guy, wow.
And we're gonna get 10 pips more, so don't you stress.
This Prindrella guy. Like, I know him. He's been here before too. And I don't ban him because I want him to come over here and I want him to get jealous. I want him to get angry that why are these people winning every day? I want him to do that. Yeah, because as it was happening, I said, hey guys, I took a sell right now, had the stop loss, and won the trade. Like, people come on here, they say, oh yeah, this one, Raja's gonna lose this one. Oh, he's gonna lose this one. Oh no, he's gonna lose this one. But no. I got Kervin with me, and I got Monty with me, and I got BPK with me, and we win.
Yeah, man. Every day.
Oh, I think I know what happened. I think this week Prindrala's mom and dad, they didn't give him a weekly allowance, so he's mad at us.
Oh, he's still living in the basement?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, fellas.
Oh wow, look at that, still dropping.
Stop loss at break even, already dipped in profits, and we're
Yeah,
ready
it
for
took another half.
24.
Wow,
Good
Prindrala was
job,
right.
fellas.
What's your target, Kevin? Curving?
500s.
Wow.
Tools are already 75% of my trade, so
Yeah, me too. I'm holding just a bit to 57. Let's see for a 30 pip winner.
yeah, cool. That's nice. Cause man, if you don't secure profits, if you don't, if you lose this trade, you're an idiot. So your stop loss must be a break even or at least 5 pips in profit and just let it run. Because next target is 139,500s. But anything could happen. It's Friday, so. And the good thing is the last day of the month for this week.
Ooh,
We should be
going.
fine. Yeah.
It's going, baby.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Let's go, baby.
come on, 10 pips more.
Welcome to the candy shop.
Trading is easy, man.
Yeah, and sometimes it's boring, to be honest. You see the same moves over and over and over.
Yeah, it gets boring when you're good at it.
Honestly,
Well, yeah.
It could be hell too.
honestly, like an hour and a half ago, it was pretty boring
Yeah.
because nothing was happening. Is there any better of a feeling than trading view moving your chart screen down when you're in a sell? No. Well, I guess if you're on a 1 minute chart, then yeah, it moves down. But Pindrella was right. I did make 1600 today. So his analysis was correct on that.
Raja, I think you're the only mentor that show live results on IG. Man.
Yeah, man. Well, Ted.
Ted too, yeah.
But people are still not satisfied. That's the thing.
Fuck them, man. What else do they want?
Yeah,
Ask the other guys to show them. Ask all the trading gurus that sell courses to show them. Nobody shows them.
Nobody shows them. Like you have this Brandon Carter guy, he runs 50 sales a month,
You got to pay the bills, man.
Oh, wow. That's just crazy.
Get ready to buy the Lamborghini.
Are you still in it?
Yep.
Yeah, we're still in it.
Yeah.
Awesome. That's a good trade.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
I'm holding a 0.5 lot here. Wow, still going, man. Jeez.
5 pips more.
This is the last day of the month, baby.
We were right.
Yeah, man.
Come on. Yes, baby. 30 pips.
Does this make sense? Oh, it's too much to read over here. Let's see here. Oh, so your entry was because it was breaking the previous lows over there and you anticipated it to come down to this, to retest this low. Yeah, this makes sense.
Oh, fuck, it's so nice. Sorry.
Oh wow, you're
It's
right.
a nice.
It's Christmas, Kervin.
Yeah, man. I was watching on the Nasdaq and Dow Jones. There's some nice sell also.
Wow, this is crazy.
Raja, you don't have excuses to go to the dentist now.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Because your dentist is watching the streaming, so.
Dentist like, yes, money
He's gonna
coming in
call you.
soon.
Yeah, I'm gonna take 2 tooth instead of 1.
Yeah. I'm getting the pliers ready.
Man, this is so easy.
Closed it.
Yeah, I got out of
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah, I close everything also.
I closed everything
It
right
was
here.
a bless. I mean, to be honest,
It was
straight.
blessed.
Really good trick.
Now go to the 15 minutes, right? Just to see if the candles that I drew were okay. Yeah, kind of. Was expecting 3 candles like that.
It's gonna become part of the highlight.
Oh.
Oh wow, still going.
Wow.
Jeez.
Sheesh.
It's coming down to fill that gap now to the left.
Sheesh. Yes.
Wait, let me call my market maker here. 1 sec. Hey Ted.
Oh.
Ted, press the button. Oh god damn, Kervin, look at that.
Okay, there you have it.
Oh, you said it, Kervin, 50.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's gone.
500 mark.
It's not even on my screen.
It's
coming down.
Yeah, it's going straight.
Dios.
Wow, this is a 40 pip move over here.
Come on. Can't get better than this.
Wow, man.
Wow.
30-minute candle, man.
Wow.
It's filling that wick. Can't believe it.
Yeah, boy. Got 7 minutes left.
Wow.
Wow.
Pinche huevo.
This banchot kept dropping.
Very banchot.
Man. If YouTube street, the people are watching on YouTube doesn't give us a like, I'm gonna kill everybody.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and
What a blast.
fuck, man.
Move.
After this trade, no one should be over trading.
Yeah, indeed.
I know someone's gonna say, "Oh, GG's at a buy level right now."
Yeah, it's gonna bounce.
You banchots, come on. Wow, this is just crazy move. We gotta think of something to say for the highlights over here. Wow, great move, Kervin. Can't believe it.
Yeah,
We
man.
won again.
Great work.
Yeah, Ricardo's won again.
We won again. Trust. Where's Mac?
This day was so amazing.
Yeah, this is just, I just can't believe it.
We broke down every move.
We anticipated the fall. It happened.
Yeah, man.
And I mean,
39, the 500 mark was a bless.
yeah, it was a bless. Wow. Where did I close over here? I closed at 669 and 749. Oh shit, I closed it up over here. I closed 20 pips ago.
Wow.
Can you explain how you entered this position before the candle closed? I think you need to watch the recap.
Mamma mia. Are you kidding me, boy?
Are you kidding me? You lost one, but you won one, but the winners are celebrated like you got 100% win rate. Oh, of course. It's not 100% win rate. I lost GP CAD buys at -7 pips. I won this trade at 20 pips. So my GP CAD loss was $90. My GJ win was 500 plus 200 plus, yeah, it was way more than that.
But you have bigger size on GJ, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So it goes to show, like people are jealous. They're jealous. They can't. I mean, it's not like I don't know if most people here they know the meaning of the word fathom. Like fathom means that it's very hard to accept, right? But like they can't accept that this is possible. They can't fathom like these people do it. Oh wow, look at that.
Oh, gap fill.
Came right to the T, mate.
Yeah, don't forget to tag us, Rakeel,
421. Yeah.
Kevin, and me.
Yeah. Let's just let's just go left and see where this line is.
Now, if you go to the daily, you're gonna find a lot of consolidation to the left-hand side. It's already breaking that area.
Oh, look at that, man. It almost filled this. It filled the gap. Came to 424 and bounced. And that's how gaps are filled. Yeah, it's perfect. Look on the daily. Look left. Yep. This is the consolidation zone we were talking about earlier too.
Yes.
I think this is on the weekly better. Yeah, right
That's the
there.
area with a lot of traffic.
Yep.
But sadly, we won again.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys.
For all the haters.
Sadly.
Sadly,
Yeah.
we won again.
It is sad because we are taking money from people who lost this trade. But thank you all for the contributions.
Yeah, thank you for providing liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
Man, GJ, I know GJ like the back of my hand.
Yeah. Sometimes I do.
That's experience, man.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Reach that level, it's amazing.
Oh, someone sent a chart here.
Some people would say that's luck,
Man, that's hard work.
Yeah.
Because people don't. I mean, it's like you said, they're haters. They say, "Oh, he's lucky. He doesn't know what he's doing."
Mm-hmm.
That's not the case, though.
Hard work.
Yeah. Because there's a lot of people they were in buys or they were looking on buys at this previous support. But man, we have to take moves on GJ before we know what we are doing. And like I said, I was expecting easily 25 pips below this support.
You said 50 mark, man. I was like,
Yeah, the 500 mark. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that get filled.
Yes,
Yeah,
Bobby.
You were sleeping, Bobby.
Bobby wakes up and takes a nap.
Roger.
Bobby takes
Huh?
a nap every 10 minutes and comes back. Oh, look.
Nah, I mean, I was watching kids. I mean,
Oh,
that's-
okay.
yeah. Right now, I just got off. It's just that that's why. Yeah, I saw they fill up. I feel good now.
Someone's watching my stream from the living room.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I got out of everything. This was a beautiful trade.
Yeah, me too.
Yes, sir.
I mean, I wasn't supposed to trade, but it was so juicy. I kind of broke it today. I started from Sunday, and yeah, shoot. Yeah. But at least I was profitable.
Man, honestly, if people come to the streams with an open mind of learning and executing, I can 100% guarantee you that within 2 months, there is no doubt in my mind that you will start to understand why things are happening. Like in this past year, I've learned more on the streams than I did working on my own, because we're working with a lot of people here every day. You know what I'm going to do today? I'm going to work on biceps and triceps today. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. Biceps and triceps. So, if someone on YouTube made more than $50 on this GJ cell, I'll give you my address and just get me some Uber Eats, for lunch. That's probably 20% of the profits.
Somebody says snoring, right? Why? Somebody fell asleep?
Probably Ralph.
Oh.
I sell UJ and I thought it'd go down because it's a downtrend, but I think it's going up. Interesting. So you thought it's going to go down and then you thought it's going up. But it went down.
Interesting.
That's how you lose the trades.
Yeah.
That's Roger's topic every freaking day. Yeah.
What gets most people is that once this candle closed bearish, a lot of people were probably thinking that, okay, they will wait for another confirmation. Right? So when I start to look at the charts, I start to look at how can I get these big candle moves? Like these moves, how can I get these moves? So I said, okay, the first confirmation is going to be here, and this is when you should be entering, but you're going to hesitate to enter because you're looking for another confirmation, or you've lost a trade, so now you're trading on fear. But when this confirmation happened, I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm entering this again because I lost a trade on GP CAD, so that didn't affect my analysis over here. I was like, okay, I got the confirmation. It was doing what I said, and I'm going to enter. My stop is going to be at 950, and then we're going to have a good day. And I had a better day than anticipated. What did GU do? Oh, GU also fell down. Oh, GU was nice. So it's 9 right now. I'm gonna go to the gym. Gold down to 16.15, possibly with extensions to 16.03? Question mark. I don't know. I don't know, man. I mean, you got to think of it now. Next week.
We're going to 1400.
There we go.
Yeah.
14.
There you have it. That's
One big.
Yeah, put a sell right now. I haven't heard Sean Lee for a while.
Oh, let's go. He didn't post.
Is he still trading?
I don't know.
This is scanning.
Hmm.
Why don't you message him and ask him?
Oh, true. I should do that.
Yeah.
Hope he didn't block me.
All right, guys, I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna go to the gym here.
Okay, Mr. Raja. Thank you so much, my brother.
Have a good weekend.
Hey,
Okay,
take care,
guys.
man. Have a good one.
Take care. Have a great
Have a
weekend,
good
guys.
See you
weekend.
guys.
Have a good weekend.
Everybody.
Shukriya. Bye.
Baby,
Baby, love you.
Itika.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Love you all. Shukriya.
What was that?
Raja, you even do legs. Yes, I did legs on Wednesday. I did back yesterday, and I'm going to do biceps and triceps today, and then we'll do chest tomorrow.